I want to show you one of aviation's smartest space-saving tricks. Folding wings. Not sci-fi. Very real. Very mechanical. Absolutely essential for packing warplanes onto tiny floating runways. Here's the hook. One folded wing could shrink an aircraft's footprint by a third or more, turning chaos on a carrier deck into a solvable puzzle. Quick history jump. In World War II, biplanes like the Fairey Swordfish and naval fighters like the Grumman F-4F Wildcat pioneered folding wings to fit below deck. By the Korean War, the idea matured. Heavier, faster jets demanded smarter hinges and stronger locks. Early Cold War carriers were compact. Aircraft weren't. Folding wings decided whether a squadron flew or didn't. So how do they fold without snapping? Think door hinge, then multiply the loads by catapult launches, arrested landings, salt spray, and 7+G turns. The core, a robust hinge line, usually near the wingtip, or at midspan. A hydraulic jack, or an electric actuator, drives the fold. Over-center locks clamp it solid. Up locks hold it up. Down locks prevent drifting. Proximity switches verify position. If a wing isn't fully locked, the aircraft won't arm launch systems. On deck, a safety pin with a bright red streamer physically prevents accidental fold or unfold. Take the Supermarine Seafire. Early marks were tough to store. Later naval versions added manual folding bays. Deck crews pulled pins, lifted the outer panels, latched them up. Simple. Light. Good enough for a piston fighter. Now, the jet age. The McDonnell F-4 Phantom kept it elegant. Just the outer wingtips fold. A compact hinge near the aileron lets those tips swing up, instantly shrinking width for elevator rides and tight parking. Hydraulics do the work. Mechanical locks make it fail-safe. And the big cat everyone asks about, the F-14 Tomcat. It didn't use traditional folding tips. Instead, variable sweep wings slide back for supersonic flight. Conveniently, they also save parking space. With wings fully swept, the Tomcat's deck footprint drops dramatically. Different solution, same problem. Why not fold everything? Weight. Complexity. Every hinge is dead weight you carry into combat. Designers chase a balance. Fold where the structure is manageable. Keep fuel lines flexible or rerouted. Protect control runs with quick disconnects or redundant paths. On a carrier, folding isn't just storage, it's choreography. Taxi in. Fold on the line, elevator down. Unfold. Lock. Double-check pins out. Lights green. The entire air wing cycles faster because everything is built to fold. Verify. Launch. Beyond the sea, folding matters on land too. Tight shelters, rails, transport aircraft. The principle stays the same. Reliable mechanics, smart interlocks, quick hands. Ingenious? Absolutely.